here at All Saints Hall, guys. We came for the sale. See here, flowers. Here's the nut. It's just here. I'll show you the location from outside later. Paila, clothes. Oh wow, small but cute. Here we came for Dharas today. Ketanat ha.
Idan balai jasa sepatli, aja sepatli.
Shoes. I like that pink one. Ooh la la, ooh la la. Kini kita clothes. Wow, so pretty. Shoot, shoot, shoot. Hey guys, kita harap kidan badan arhajar arspa artli. Bakat san spa also there is. Guys, I'm here at All Saints Hall. Dhara Shadin. They're on sale, so we came here to buy some. I like the long ones too. Clips, skirts. Look at this kurta. Just I'm really fish pop. Huh? Let's go see here. So long socks. Ooh la la. There are boots here. They are all on sale, guys. I need to get some. Jewelries. Ini guys, Hudson Spa. All these and these below, they are 2K and 50. Dhara, let me just show you all the colors. I like this color. That's happening. You can see these also. Good stuff. Thank you. Bye. So cute. Kita jansam. Oh, there's sale 500. Cutie. Jansam ada nama blouse piece, I guess. Guys, I found Labubu. Kurumi also. Oh, so cute. Wow, I like this skirt, but natural. Mas lagi skirtnya. Huh? All these are 400. Sale 999. Those are 1000. Tiny ha.
Become a bit pink, but not that color. Because it's also moisturizer in the bottle. That's why.
Hair oil for hair fall. Hmm? Bracelets gitu. Bracelets. Blush.
980 plus 100 kalau 1080 ke.
Favorite stall jagah kan ya. Squid ha. Show Sammy. Let me show you the price of one. This is 470. This kajol. Key earrings kandai spa dang dan sau spa. Bracelets. What is this? These are 2,500s. Crochet stuffs. Handbags. Stationaries. So aesthetic. Oh, rubber. Perfumes. We're gonna buy this one. It's 1,500. Guys, bought a Dhara and I'm gonna leave here. Got plow.
It's so handsome. I don't know what dog has this, but they stock happening according to me. Dan ini idok kah janjongi tu balak pang rong gre. Kamret tidak.
Halloween.
아니 사사는 Hah?
Ada ice cream rumahnya. Guys, we're done eating and that was for the day. Thank you for watching my vlog and see you until the next one. Bye.